Pre no. You see, from me I do that comedy thing, ya dog. You see, from me I do that comedy thing, ya bro. Me book up with the weirdest set of people, them, bro. Bro, the amount of stab man having him back, youth. I don't even know, youth. I don't even know, dog. The amount of people where disrespect me, dog. And lead me away because of how I stay, brother. Because they know I'm not going to retaliate. Or I'm a quiet you, brother. I stay on one side by myself, brother. You did. I build my career now, dog. I do my thing, dog. Brother, we blow up now. Clan official. We're official now, brother. And it's like the whole round just a 8 with brother. 4, brother. 4. I will literally don't see you, no, dog. Brother, we not see nobody, my youth. It just weird and creepy, dog. Say, oh, we not see nobody, we not see none, brother. But yes, still up in our space, brother. And they in our team. When they are part of our thing, I try blend in, brother, like a spy, bro. It weird, bro. It really fucking weird, bro. It weird. Sorry for... Me not cussing explicit. It weird, bro. It weird. It is so weird, bro. It is creeping me out, dog. Me I tell you. And me I show you some levels, bro. For no say, for me couldn't know say, yo, brother, them brother are really sick. Me sick. Brother, look at my content, them, dog. Look at how I do my thing, them, bro. Look at how I look how I organize my channel. Look how I deal with my career, brother, and this and that. Me sick. I'm organized. I'm have sense. I have more sense than the whole of them for start a new Instagram and it come past the whole of them, brother. Just like that, bro. In a year, bro. And me sick. And my talent do that. My talent do that. And my talent do that, brother. And show my journey on a no say, brother, man. Just then I'm gonna do him own thing. Look on 2020 forward. When we reach out to the whole of them for unity, them give you a cold shoulder, brother. When them give you the cold shoulder, what we do? We just continue to do our thing. We manifest, so we have to manifest in a 2020. 2021 now have new challenges, brother. We done rub out certain people and show up certain people already. I will look past it, dog. We really look past it, bro. In our group, bro, in our clan, bro, we stop talk about it, bro. Like, certain things we stop talk about, brother. Certain things dead to it, brother. You hear that? Make sure the Bumbuckler vlog page, man. Or screen record this in a youth. That me have to tell you, brother. Because some man dip on them page, brother, say what them have to say, brother. And then when my clan come out and defend the thing, them a delete our comments, them, and delete our thing, them, and make it look, and a be a negativity a show, and I make me as the leader look away, brother. When my clansman, them a defend the thing certain way. Dog, let me tell you straight, dog. To me, this life where me I live, dog, even though, yeah, me at the star, well, no say I am, and lately me really had, because I'm humble, you know, dog. Me and a star, me don't know it, you know, bro. I would not really show me certain things and me really are getting on my head for say, oh shit, me a star for real. Oh shit. But me still humble with it. You know, sometimes me even meds it. Bro. And to be honest, bro, walking around with this energy, bro, and with this mentality, and being in the space where I be, bro, things are getting weirder and weirder for me, bro. People approach me differently. People talk to me differently, bro. I don't feel normal again, bro. And them I attack with differently, brother. People are deal with a show love differently, and the man them I hate with differently, brother. Pre this now, clan. Tell me if I'm me sick, and me have a mental issue, or something wrong with me, clan. Tell me if something wrong with me now, you know. Tell me if something wrong with me. My bill a group. My build a Telegram group phone, you know. for the whole of me, the whole of my supporters them, me and the whole of my supporters them in a dog. My build a group for me and the whole of my supporters them in a bro. For come together in a bro. Talk and pray unity in a dog. I build a Telegram group for my supporters them in a bro. People will say clan in a dog. People will say tavii in a my youth. People will say tavii in a dog. I build a group for my people them. My people them running at the group, brother. And may I work with my people them, bro. If you do not like me or you do not fuck with me, why are you in my group, bro? Why you in my group? Why you are a part of what we are creating, what we are organizing, bro? Why you be a part of it, brother? And I make your friend them, I make your people them be a part of it, and I instigate, dog. Dog, weird. Fucking weird, dog. That's some psycho shit. That's some real psycho shit. Like some... Bro, sick. Forward in our group, you know. And you bring your friend them in the group, you know. Have where things like clansman, you know, enough spider in our group, you know, brother. Enough people there in it where are not part of our thing, bro. You did. And them did this attack for make it look like say them are supporter of Kyng tavii when they are not. They are not supporters, bro. Enough people there in the group, brother. Attack, brother, they are not supporters of Kyng tavii, bro. Them just dead here for watch and instigate, bro. And that is what that idiot brother do yesterday, bro. That is what that idiot brother do, brother. In general group, brother. And making friend them general group, brother. And I instigate. He make YouTube video and so forth, brother. And then you go post it. And then you go make your friend them or whosoever repost it in a group, talk about it like, yo, look what that dog has about tavii, and get me all of my supporters them attention, bro, in the group. Thinking it's a clansman a report. Bro, yes, sick. Bro, show my career, bro. May I tell you, bro, sick, dog. Bro, sick, bro. Then you are going to be in our group. You're there in our group, you know, brother. A screen record and this and that out of our group, you know, dog. With your friend them, you know, my youth. I make it look like, say, I'm me at this one, I'm a clansman them, you know, brother. When that person was never a clansman, you know, bro. I force everybody I see this brother texting a bumbuckler group, you know. I mean sick. Though. I mean sick, though. Me sick. My clansman them in a group them now go up on this fucking post to make them know, make the people them know, say, yo brother. And I saw it going on in final group and this brother is literally deleting every comment where I defend the thing certain way. I show the truth. And I block all of my supporters them, bro, on IG. I block the whole of my supporters them on IG, bro. And then I leave all the negative comments them now for everybody for pre me like a pussy, dog. Sick, bro. Really sick, bro. And it's scary, dog. It just... Bro, sick, dog. How this? Sick, hello? No, right now, sick, brother. Sick, my youth. It's... Bro, I don't understand all the meds, so, dog. I don't understand all the meds, so, brother. Go around and I tell people, say, bro, me I send my supporters them for report page, bro. My supporters them can testify, brother. I never yet send nobody for report on brother. And the first me I send them for report, your brother. Because I beer fuck you chat about with, brother. And then you chat beer fuck about me ignore you, yes, but you see when it come on to my supporters them, brother, a different thing, brother. I'm defensive towards my supporters them, brother. Don't try to go off my people and where feed me youth. I'm to you, brother. I try to steer their mind from me. I try to make them look away too. Don't play with me, brother. Clan, and they need to stop. Give them energy, my youth. The man them just are using on my youth. I get strength off on the brother. We need to stop. We need to stop everything in the clan back, dog. Everything in the clan, dog. And we are going to stop talk about certain things and keep back the same energy where we start off with, dog. Inspiration, brother. And guidance, my youth. That's all we preach. Inspiration, guidance, and unity, dog. If you ever first day in our group and see the things and where we talk about and how we move, brother, we move like brother and sister in our group, dog. We not try come in our thing and try to corrupt it, brother, and that is not nice, dog. That is not cool. And weird. Have you and your people them instigate in our thing and make we look away, dog. That weird, bro. That is weird, dog. I delete all of my clansman them comments, brother, and delete all of them posts, brother, and them reply and so forth, brother, and I make we look away, daddy. You're weird, my youth. You need to stop. You not gonna go nowhere in a life, brother. We have talent over yourself, brother, and we focus on talent, dog. We focus on passa, mix up all of them things there, brother. All of them things that we now make on elevate in a life, brother. It make you get a one spot now, but at the end of the day, you are not going nowhere. You are not going nowhere, bro. We actually are go somewhere. We actually are go somewhere. We have unity. We need to stop and love you, brother. If you're in our clan group, brother, you can't stay in there. We don't really and truly, we don't care, dog. You did. How we are set it right now, none of you can say no more of them thing there in our thing, brother. Discipline I did our thing right now, bro. You hear that? Nobody can come in our thing, come instigate again, bro. You hear that? You know, weird, bro. My sexual preference is a woman. I like vagina. I tell you that, brother. I fuck pussy. I love pussy. I tell you that. So just avoid me, dog. I'm not there in a phone league, dog. I'm not there in a phone league, bro. Avoid me, bro. Don't there in a nothing where we are. Nobody there in a nothing where we are, bro. Just avoid me, brother. You know if you instigate. Leave we alone. I'm done with that now. Next thing now, clan. I apologize for how I behave in the group, my youth. I was really defensive for Uno, brother. I'm a defensive, brother. You did. You see because, brother, man, when man hungry, brother, and now no money, brother, I wanna look out for my brother. A different level, brother. When you come on to different level, may I tell you different levels when you come on to Uno, bro. When I'm a family, bro. When I've been there with me throughout everything, brother, throughout every great moments, bro. Remember that. When I've been there throughout every great moments, brother. I honor my youth. I apologize for how I did the thing, bro. I make them draw way out. I make them draw me out. For draw own out. I apologize for that. You did. I'm bigger than that, man. I'm bigger than that. I know that. I just don't know. Bro, I was just so pissed for no say, yo, brother. Them day in an hour. We literally take where we sell from IG, Twitter, everything. They over yesterday, dog. And the man, they might find themselves in an hour space, see me. That did hurt me, dog. You did. That make me feel away. And they might instigate things and I steer in the mind and I make them look away, bro. That they make me feel away, bro. I'm not lie, bro. I may apologize to the clan for the anger, bro, and the rage. I apologize, bro. I love you, brother. I own no dog. Don't make them take you away from me, brother. On the day from day one. Shit about for happen now. Shit about for pop. May I tell you, pray. We get an on-stage interview, you know, bro. Pray. Bro, we are linked with IT Ellis, you know, bro. Pray. Oliver Samuels want for me, you know, dog. Maybe, you know, dog. He did. But the fact that the grace them know me, brother. I keep my nose right now, the content and how me I deal with things right now, brother. Me have to deal with it a certain way for you know, dog. We not this ain't no game now, bro. For real, this ain't no game, bro. I feel I have to be twanging on you guys, man. This ain't no game, my nigga. Right now, shit hot, boy. Right now, shit popping, boy. For real, nigga. So right now, we need to just focus on that. We need to focus on the onstage interview where we just do, where we go on the interview and we don't bash nobody, brother. We keep the energy neutral. We need to focus on them minutes there. We need to focus on the content then where we put out and greater content either way. You did? Don't make them steer on from me, brother. On the day with me from day one. Don't make them play with you. Don't make them ramp with you. On the strong. On the strong, brother. Don't make them play with you. You did? On the leader stand up firm, so. I saw my blood class stand up when them there step up and we couple months ago, brother. And see the brother, we there, so brother, again, brother, and we are got a different eyes, brother. Different journey for we, brother. On the turn up strong with me, brother. Don't make them kick on over, bro. Protect the brand. Protect the name and the brand. Protect mostly the brand, bro. Because of the brand we're gonna use for discover more talents, bro. And build other talents, bro. Protect the brand, bro. Protect the Kyng, dog. Don't make them drain on the energy. Stop, watch them. Love you, no brother. I'm gone back in my silence, bro, because I saw me stay.